If you have a problem with a keyboard operation, such as unfunctional keys, we recommend to do the following actions to be sure that the keyboard is connected well. So, first of all, we need to open the tester. To do so, we need to unscrew two screws on the battery cover. Then remove the battery cover. Also, you need to unscrew two screws at the bottom. And now open the battery cover. Then you need to unscrew two screws on the top. This one and this one. Now everything is ready to open the tester. So you need to disconnect the top part of the tester from the bottom one. Please apply some effort, make it with power, but be careful. Do it carefully, like we shown. So as I said, some power is required. Oh, everything is ready, so the tester is open now. Now you need to disconnect. Oh, it's not necessary. Now you should check the keyboard connection. This one, blue wires. So disconnect their connection and connect carefully it back. Be sure that black labels of the wires corresponds to the labels of the connector pin. So everything is ready. Now we need to check the tester. So now we need to go back. Now we need to assemble the tester. So close the case back. Close it carefully. When you close the case, check the tester operation. And now in this case test the keyboard operation. Everything should work, should operate well, as it's shown right now. So this is all. The main goal of this video is to demonstrate how to check the connection of the keyboard to the main PCB of the tester, because the problem can lie there. Don't forget to screw back all screws. Two at the top, two at the bottom. Return back the battery's cover and screw it